Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So I am here with another RedBubble video. I am also going to insert another video inside of this one before we jump into this part and show you how I created a design on Procreate for my all over print for RedBubble. Hope you guys watched that. In that video, I think I used the dimension 7,000 by 4,000. I did go back and choose 8,000 by 4,000. On Procreate, it's just, you don't get a huge size, just how some sites just kind of don't allow you to have such big canvases. So I went back and I did 8,000 by 4,000. So the design you see that I did in the actual Procreate video is going to be different than the one that I upload right now, only because I went back and I made it bigger. But I do advise you to try to get an 8,000 by 8,000 pixels design for your RedBubble all over prints, just so they can fit nicely and you don't have to create any patterns or anything. So today I'm only going to upload on the ones where I don't have to create patterns, just to kind of show you what the all over print looks like. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I upload a video.
All right, guys, so we are in the back of my Procreate app, and I am putting in the 7,632 pixels by 6480. It would not really let me do that size, but I went ahead with it. Later on, you will see me change this size to a bigger size. I tried to do 8,000 and I ended up doing 8,000 by 4,000. But right now, what you will see me do is just to go in my Procreate app and find some brushes, and I'll just change some colors, and I'm just gonna just do a design really quick. Also, I go in and actually change this design as well, so it'll look different when I'm uploading on Redbubble.
So we are in our Redbubble and we're in Manage Portfolio. And then we're going to go ahead and hit Add New Work. You can use Quick Edit, and you can use Copy, but I don't have a lot of designs on this store that I created for tutorials. So there's no need for me to try to use a copy settings. And the store is also not even live. So I don't have to worry about a lot of things. I am just using this website, well, not this website, but this store to actually, do my tutorials. So I'm not going to fill out any title information because, again, this is just me doing a tutorial on how to do your all over prints. So I hope this helps. So that is uploading, and once it uploads, it's going to be on all of the prints down below. As you see, this one looks different. I just opened up a screen and kind of just threw designs all over stuff. So we're not focusing on anything that doesn't have an all over print, right? So we're going to enable short sleeve tops, and you see how the design covers the entire thing. Also with the chiffon top. So this is what I mean when I say it does not cover everything and you would have to do a pattern to get the full coverage, because also even at 8,000 by 4,000, it is already scaled at 100%. But we don't want to have to use a pattern like that to get the full coverage, right? So I'm not going to enable that because I don't like the way sometimes it looks, because it gives it that indication mark. Also here on the graphic tee, you see that white space there and there. We don't want that. So this is why I am telling you, you should use at least 8,000 by 8,000. So on the stickers, I've already showed you guys how to create a shape for your stickers. So you just won't be sending out regular square stickers and magnets to your customers when you do your all over prints. Go back to my sticker video for RedBubble and you can see that. It looks perfect on a phone case. Here on the floor pillows, it does not cover it all the way. It looks great on the print. Laptop does not follow the cover and duvet covers. It does fill the mugs, travel mugs, and the leggings. It looks great on the leggings. Looks, see, it did not cover the full skirt. So if I open this, you can see that there's like a little white spot right there. Let's see if it's truly a white spot. Oh, no, it's not. That's just the way the picture looks. So that's, I think that's showing the inside of the skirt. But here on the scarf, we're going to disable that. Looks good on the tablet skin. Looks good on the backpack, spiral notebooks, and hardcover notebooks. Looks great on the clock, artboard prints, acrylic coasters. That looks good. Does not fill the whole tapestry. It covers the bath mat. And I really think the water bottles are supposed to be like that because you see it's covered completely here. I think they just stop it at a certain point. So that's fine for the water bottles. Does not cover the canvas. It covers the tote. Does not cover the socks completely. It does cover the button and the mask. See, for the backpack, it does not cover that little piece of the bottom. So that's why you would need that 8,000 by 8,000. It does not cover the duffel bag or the apron all the way or the jigsaw puzzle. So that's just you knowing with an 8,000 by 8,000 pixel print that I created on Procreate, it covers majority of the items, but there's still a lot that you can't have shown, and it will kind of mess up your all over print if you have to do like a pattern. So that defeats the purpose. So I am telling you guys about 8,000 by 8,000 will cover all of your designs. If you have Photoshop or you have another system that you can scratch your design without distorting it, that will be a perfect size to make sure you get your all over prints sized correctly for all of your products. So when you upload, you don't have any issues. You don't have to create patterns that have these indication lines that will kind of mess up the flow of your design. So I hope you guys can understand what I was trying to show you, and you can learn from, I'm not even going to say this is a mistake, but just learn from this that the sizing does matter when you try to do all over prints in general, or just trying to make sure that your designs are cohesive on Redbubble. That will help you to make ultimate sales for your store. So again, I am Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. This is a Redbubble all over video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. Tell somebody about me. Leave a comment. Let's chat it up in the comment section. Check out my Gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith for courses and tutorials. And I do have some freebies over there as well. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.